Hey guys, welcome back. It's Joanne, and today we're going to do fun craft. For that you will need a piece of paper, and I've folded it in some parts. So I'll show you how to fold it. So guys, when you'll fold it and you'll open it, it will look like this. Next you can draw whatever you want on the front side of the paper. So guys, here I've drawn Santa Claus hands with a gift. So when I'll open it, I'll draw what's inside the gift. And there's a cute little puppy inside the gift. So first it'll look like this, and when you open it, there's a cute little puppy. And now guys, you can color it. Hey guys, I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, do give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Comment me and share this video with your friends and family. See you soon. Bye.